Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make ChatGPT create images. First, ensure you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, as this feature utilizes DALL-E 3. Once subscribed, you can simply type your desired image description directly into the chat box. ChatGPT will then process your request and generate the visual content for you, making the process incredibly straightforward. To get the best results, focus on crafting clear and detailed prompts. Think about the subject, the desired style, and even specific colors or moods you want to convey. For example, instead of a dog, try a golden retriever puppy playing in a field of sunflowers in a watercolor style. Don't be afraid to iterate and refine your prompts for optimal output. You can further refine your images by specifying artistic styles or even the mood. Try asking for an impressionistic landscape or a futuristic city in neon lights. If you don't love the first attempt, simply ask ChatGPT to make it more vibrant or change the perspective. You can also request specific aspect ratios, like a classic 16:9 for videos. Sometimes, the AI might not generate exactly what you envisioned. If this happens, try rephrasing your prompt with different keywords or more specific details. Always ensure your requests adhere to content guidelines to avoid any generation issues. And hey, while you're creating amazing visuals, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.